And now we move to exercise 6. And in this exercise, we're gonna use picture, this picture, and we're gonna try to get this result. So we go to Photoshop. First thing we need to do, we need to open the two files we're gonna work with, just like that. And then we have to make a selection. We have to select this woman and her hair. To do that, we're gonna use the quick selection tool. We're gonna start from here. Continue our selection. Select this part of the hair, this part of the hair. We're gonna reduce the size of the tool from 30 to 10, let's say. I'm gonna zoom some more. We're gonna select this part, this part. We're gonna select this part, this part. Nope. Control Z. Control Z again. Whenever you make a mistake, you can go back. We can reduce the tool. We can reduce the size of the tools just like that. I'm gonna, no, Control Z. Okay, I think it's enough. I think it's enough. Now we're gonna try to move, drag and drop from file 2 to file 1 and put it right here. But you can notice that the selection is very bad. You can see there's the white here, there is white here. The hair looks really bad. It doesn't look like a realistic picture. It doesn't look like the woman really belongs in this background. And overall, it's really bad. So it needs some improvement. We're gonna delete this layer, go back to file 2, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna improve our selection. To do that, you go back to quick selection and then click on select and mask. Now we have to choose this tool, the refine edge brush tool. We click, and now we can paint over all the areas that need improvement, like this part, this part, this part of the hair. What is red is the part that's not selected, and what's visible is the part that is selected. We keep doing the same thing here in the hair area. We paint all over, and this tool is very smart. It recognizes what should be selected and what shouldn't. It knows that all this white shouldn't be selected, and we only need the hair. The selection is improving. We can add this part of the hair. This is the rest of the hair. We need to improve this part. Okay, If we switch the view to black and white, we can see that what is white is what's selected, what is black is the part that's not selected. And as you can see, the selection now is much better. We can see the details of the hair, and it looks much better than the first time. There are other options here we can modify. Smooth, for example. I just want you to see what this does. We're not going to change anything. I just want you to see what it does. Feather, for example. Smooth, you can see what it does to the selection. Contrast. Shift edge. And that's it. We click on OK. And now this is our selection. We do the same thing, move tool. We take it from here to here and drag and drop just like that. And as you see now, the selection is much better and the picture looks much better than the first time. Now the exercise is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.